Now blue is not in her.
Hey ladies, welcome back to the channel. I hope all is well. Today we are going to be doing something a little bit different. I plan to do a series of hair for different celebrities. So today we're going to be doing a Nicki Minaj inspired unit, and it's a pink unit. So I am going to do a makeup that resembles one of her makeup looks, and then we're gonna do a unit that resembles one of her units. So stay tuned for that. hope you enjoyed the really small makeup tutorial that goes along with this unit. As I previously mentioned, I am featuring Nicki Minaj this week, so I am featuring her, so I'm doing a lot of units that resemble her hairstyles or just her fun attitude when it comes to wigs and it comes to hair. So today's unit to go with this makeup look is going to be by Zury Hollywood, and it is from their Slay collection, and it is a pre-tweezed part and looks like it has soft lace. Now the color of this unit, it's Nicki Minaj inspired, so the color of this unit is pink. But it's a sombre rose pink. So let you see the care card. And the pre-tweezed means that they just went in and where this part is, they kind of tweezed it. And the back is your regular. It just tells you how to care for the unit. And let's see what it says. The heating it's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. So it comes in a lot of different colors. Looks like it's an asymmetrical bob where it goes longer in the front. The color on it is pretty. I've never reviewed this color before, but I hope it comes off on camera. It's more like a pinkish purple unit. Let's look at the cap construction. Okay, that looks good. Looks like it has two combs on the side for those that like the combs. It has a part straight down the middle, almost like an eye-shaped part. You can see through it, so they tweezed it pretty good. I probably won't tweeze it. The back of the unit has a comb and it has adjustable straps. And looks like the tracks, the construction of the tracks, okay, looks like they start about a third way down the unit, because all up in here is a net, and then you have the lace parting that comes right here. Now this unit doesn't have lace around the entire perimeter, so if you don't like lace, to cut off lace, you'll like that. The only thing is, looks like it's a lace part. Now sometimes with lace part, you get a line of demarcation right there where you can kind of like see the mark between your hairline and the wig. But look like it does come with baby hairs if you like baby hairs, so you don't have to cut them. If you like them and you don't want to cut them, you wouldn't have to do that. So the hair feels like a fine light yaki. Okay, now I am getting shedding with this unit. Looks like it is thicker at the bottom or heavier at the bottom. You can't see through, and looks like the dark roots are throughout the unit. So it's all at the top, and maybe it stops about here. So you got dark roots from about here on the unit all the way around. So I'm going to put this on and I will be right back. Okay, so here is the unit just kind of put on. It looks really, really wiggy to me. So let's see what we can do about that. Let's brush it out first. And it does shed. I'm getting some shedding, so you may not like that. Okay. And it already comes with this curl, but depending on where it sits on you, it may flip up, I see. So let me see in the back about the wig construction. Okay. So here is my hairline. So let's see what I can do about my hairline here. I just want to see. I did not put on a wig cap, and the reason why I didn't put on a wig cap is because I will say that I don't like the part. The part on this unit, you can see the lace, and you can see the holes in there. I hope you can see that. You can see how you see that, and that, so I don't like that. So let's see what we can do with it. Let's see how the baby hairs look on here, and let's see what I can do with it. I don't use the comb, so I'm just trying to situate it. The cap is really big. I probably can do something about that with adjusting. Okay. So I'm gonna put some bobby pins on the side now that I got it sitting on my head where I want it. I'm gonna put one here, and then I'm going to put one on this side. Okay. So now let's go in and do the baby hairs. Now, I sped up this part of the video because I've done this before. So if you want to see like a detailed part of me doing this, you can catch one of my other videos. I just didn't want the video to be too long. Okay, ladies, this is the final look for this. So I am going to give my thoughts on this unit. First, I'll say I'll give the positives. I like the color. The color is really cute. I like how the ombre is all the way around plus throughout. So if you want to run your fingers through, you can see it throughout. Another thing I like about the unit is the length is okay. It's not too long and it's not too short. However, I'll say this, I like the front of it, but the back of it is a little bit weird for me. Now, I wanted to see how it would look if I just like put the unit behind my ear, and see, I think that looks a heck of a lot better. Like, I like that better because it's so much, the hair is so dense at the bottom that it kind of moves forward. So and it kind of swallows my face, even though I have a bigger face. So if you have a smaller face, it'll just swallow your face up. So you may want to put it behind your ears and just kind of go with something like that. Now, both of them behind there, that's okay. If you have a bigger forehead, you may not, like that look. One behind there, one side behind is good enough, would be good enough for me. Okay, as you know in the intro, this is a Nicki Minaj inspired look. Now the wig that I found that this one is inspired by, she has a bang, and I really didn't want to get a bang. So I wanted more of the color. So hers is a symmetrical bob, and this one gives you that. So if you don't like a choppy bang like that, this would give you that look. And let's go to the back of the unit. Okay, so the back of the unit, the cut is good because the cut is okay in the back. The cut is okay in the back. When you push this hair back there, because then you have, it kind of just falls like it was wrapped, like you did a wrap on it. So I do like that with the unit. I like the hair texture. The texture of the hair is really nice. And even when I use my flat iron on the unit, it didn't change the hair texture of the unit. Now, I think the care card said that it was 400 degrees, and I have mine set at I think it was 325. I never go, excuse me, to the full heat strength. So I did it at like 325. So I like that. The cap construction is really big head friendly. Like I should have probably made it tighter, but I'm always afraid to do that because I don't want to get like a headache. So the number one con that I have with this unit, is the parting area. The parting area, I do not like. Now, since this time, Zury has improved, I think, a lot, and they've moved away from this type of parting. But this parting on here, I personally don't like. And I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, first of all, it's not a lace front, it's a lace part. So you get this line where you can see where your hair and the wig itself separates. I did not put baby hairs or edges in front of that. I just left it like that. Another thing, it's pre-tweezed, so it doesn't come closed. But the problem with that is the type of lace that they use. The lace, the holes, you can kind of see the holes, or you can see in here. So I did not put on a nude stocking cap because to me it would have made it look even more noticeable. The lace look even more fake, even though it's fake, but it wouldn't have looked like the scalp at all. So what I did was I just put it on top of my hair. But what you can do is if you want to use a wig cap, you can use a black wig cap, and that way you can cover your hair, but you don't have to worry about having too much color, because it just made it look like too orangey or something. So I didn't like that. Another thing about the part, I think the part is a little bit too wide. I know they pre-tweezed it, but I like it when it comes closed, because you can kind of, if you're good at tweezing, you can tweeze it to your liking. So this already was tweezed, so I couldn't do anything about it. So what I did was I just went in and I put in, as you saw, a little bit of my Ben Nye powder. I put that in and I just blended that in the front with my hair. And then I used the Got To Be glue gel spray. And I also used on my edges, because I left a little bit of my edges out, I used, I think, the Evelyn New York. So to give it a okay look, like I tell you, like I mean, I know it is a wig, so I'm not really trying to fool anybody with this, but you do want to make it look, you know, as good as you can, so that for your liking. So if you don't like baby hairs, you probably can sit it back, part your hair, and blend your hair with it if you can, you know, get it straight enough or whatever. So that's the only thing that I did not like about this unit, is I really did not like the part that comes on this unit. Now, I did not turn it to see if it can be a side part where you wouldn't see it as much. You may want to try that. I did not do that. And it handles the flat iron really well. So that's it for this review. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a little bit something different for me to do makeup and to do hair and all that in one review. So if you like that and you want me to do more of that, you know, give this video a thumbs up, let me know. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, I'm not sure what you're waiting on, but please consider subscribing to the channel. Hit that subscribe button, and then there is a little teeny bell beside that button. If you hit that, you will be notified every time I upload a video. Thank you, ladies, so much for your support. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.